Hello everybody. See, today again I have made my video on the multiplication of three large numbers, and today I have again discussed with you some very important new tricks, and this is my part 5. Already I have made 4 parts on the same topic, and I have discussed different cases with you because I want to make you a master on this topic. See, as you know already, Vedic maths is a combination of lots of tricks, you know that. And in exams, you will not only get one question of same tricks, okay? You will have to know different tricks. And in all my videos, I started from very easy questions in my earlier video on the same topic, but now I am doing different difficult questions, and definitely I am using so many tricks. This is also something which is very new for you. As you can see, this is my part 5, and the topic is same, multiplication of three large numbers, but with the combination of the 999 tricks multiplication. Now you see, right now I am doing this question and I am explaining you with the question itself this new trick, and in the last of my video I will explain in details about this new trick, that how you can use this new trick in so many questions. Let's see. Now you look at this question, and as in my previous videos also, I have told you that I am doing the multiplication of three large numbers which are near some particular base. But in this particular question, if you will see carefully, what is this? Now you see what is the base here. Base here is 1 lakh. Okay, I am telling you about the base. And what is the question? 99,987 multiplied by 99,983 multiplied by 9,901. Now you see, if you will subtract this from 1 lakh, okay, first you have to subtract all these numbers from 1 lakh. So if you will do this, 1 lakh minus this 99,987, what will you get here? 13. Okay, so you see minus 13. Okay, then you see, then 1 lakh minus now 99,983. Okay, so what will you get here? See, 17. I am writing the negative sign here because see, 1 lakh you have to subtract 99,987 minus 1 lakh. Okay, so here you will get this. Now you look here, 1 lakh minus 99,901. So what will you get here? Now the most important, so here 99 I will write down, but in minus. Okay, see, you see the mark of minus because these numbers I have to subtract from 1 lakh. These, okay. Now you see what is most important here. I am telling you about the most important thing which will be useful here is this 99. See, I am going to discuss with you the special trick of multiplication with 99 and so on. And another thing also which is very important here, you see these two, 13 and 17. Again, these numbers are very important. Why? Because you see I am writing here 13 and 17. Now you see first two numbers are same here. First two numbers are same here, and sum of last two numbers, okay, sum of last two numbers is equal to 10. And in my previous video I have solved a question like this. So what will you do in this case? You multiply last two numbers. 7 3s is 21. Okay, so and what is the first number here? 1. So what will you do? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is these numbers are important. See, the multiplication of these two numbers, in this I have used one trick, and in my previous video also I have discussed about this trick. And what is more important here, see, here you know when we are doing multiplication in Vedic maths, so these numbers which we have to multiply should be near some particular base. Now you look at the three numbers 13, 17 and 99. These three numbers are important, and all these three numbers are not near some particular base. So we have to use different tricks to solve this. Now, as you know, what is the multiplier here? Multiplier here is 1. This first digit, okay? This is your multiplier. What you have to find out? You have to find out A/B/C. And how will you find out C? Your C is equal to, you see what is this difference? You have to multiply minus 13 into minus 17 into minus 99. Okay. Now you see 13 into 17 I have done here only. So if you will multiply 13 into 17, you will get here 2 to 1. Okay, which will be positive. Minus into minus will be positive. So in bracket now minus 99. See, now this is a multiplication of 99 and so on. Okay, now you look here, this is in 3 digits. Okay, this is in 3 digits, but 99 is in 2 digits. So we have to multiply 2 to 1 with 99. Okay, so how will we write down? I am going to tell you here the trick. What is the trick? How can you solve this? 2 to 1 multiplied by 99. Now you will not use your traditional method here. What will you do? You look at 99 and you tell me what is 99. 99 is equals to 100 minus 1. So here in bracket you will write down 100 minus 1. And you see, if you have to multiply any number with 100, that is so easy. And if you have to multiply any number with 1, that is also so easy. What is the trick here is, now you multiply 2 to 1 with this 100 and you multiply 2 to 1 with this 1. And this will make your work so easy. So what will you do here? 2 to 1, when you will multiply it with 100. So you will get this. Okay. And when you will multiply 2 to 1 with 1. So because this is minus is here. So you will write down the sign of minus. Now the number will be same. Now 1, 2, 2. This is how you will solve it. Now 10 minus, you have to solve it. Okay. Now you see what I have done. Here I have to multiply 2 to 1 with 99. But I told you that these are 3 digits, these are 2 digits. So if here the number are more and here the number of nines are less. So you have to convert 99 into 100 minus 1. This I have told you. And right now I am doing this question. So I have discussed with you how you have to do this. And in the last of my video also, I will discuss in details that how you have to solve lots of questions on the multiplication of 99 and so on. Now you see. So this is now the value of C. So what I am going to do here, I am going to write down this 21879. Okay. Now the value of C is 21,879. So I am going to rub all this and I am going to write down the value of C. Now you see you got the value of C in negative, okay, because minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So in negative you have got the value of C. You have to find out the value of B. Now, what will you do here? What is the multiplier? Write down the multiplier here. Then in bracket, now you have to multiply the two terms. What are the first two terms? Minus 13 into minus 17. Then plus. Then what are the next two terms? Minus 17 into minus 99. Then plus. What are the next two terms? Minus 99 into minus 13. Now you have to solve this. Okay, now you see 13 into 17 I have told you here only. So what will you do here? You will write down 2, 2, 1 here. Okay, now 17 into 99. You have to do this. And here you have to apply the trick. What is the trick here? Now you see both are 2 digits. Okay. See 17 also 2 digits, 17 is also 2 digits, 99 is also 2 digits. So what will you do? See minus 1. Okay, I have written this minus 1. You from 17 you have to do minus 1. What is 17 minus 1? All of you know that is 16. Okay. Now you see you got this 16. So now you will subtract this 16 from this 99. So see first from this 9 you will subtract this 1. Then from this 9 you will subtract this 6. So 9 minus 1 is 8 and 9 minus 6 is 3. And you check with calculator that when you will do 17 multiplied by 99, you will get here 1683. Okay, so here 17 multiplied by 99. I have told you this trick. So plus you will get here 1683. Okay, now plus, now see, as you have done this, the same you have to do here. Now you see I am going to rub this. Okay, now again you have to multiply a 2-digit number 30. This is a 2-digit number. Again you have to multiply it with 2 times 99. Okay, now as you have done here, same you will do here. Okay, 13 minus 1. What is 13 minus 1? 13 minus 1 is 12. Then you got here 2 digits and here also you have 299. See, number of 99 are the same as the number of digits you have to multiply with. So from this 9 you will subtract this 1. From this 9 you will subtract this 2. Now 9 minus 1 is 8 and 9 minus 2 is 7. So you got 13 multiplied by 99 is 1287. So I am going to write down here 1287. Okay. This is a rough work. See here. Now you have done this. 17 multiplied by 99 and 13 multiplied by 99. And I have told you how you have done this. And in the last also I will discuss some other sums with you on the same topic. And now you see when you will add all these, I have already solved for you. You will get here 3191. Okay. Now what is the value of B? Value of B is 3191. So now I am going to rub all this and I am going to write down the value of B. Now you have to find out the value of A. To find out the value of A, now you see you have to make your calculation easy as I have told you in my previous videos also. Now you see, if you will take this number, first you have to write down the square of the multiplier. Okay, now in bracket, what you have to do, if you will take this 99,987, if I will write down here, okay, then what you will do, then you will do here, you will keep your hand like this and you will add these two, okay, these two terms, then you will subtract, but that will be difficult for you. And in case I will write down this 99,983, so I will keep my hand like this as you can see in my previous videos, I have told you, then I will add 99 and 13, then that will be carryover. How can I minimize my subtraction? You look here, before writing anything here, how can I minimize my calculations? See, you can easily add 13 and 17 in your mind. You don't need any borrow over, any carry over, nothing. Okay. So, to take these two terms, I am taking this 99,901. Okay. Now, I will not take this 99. Okay. What are the remaining two terms? Minus 13 and minus 17. So, here minus 13 and here minus 17. This I have done to make my calculation easy. I have to just look at the numbers and I have to see how can I make this. Now see, minus 13 and minus 17 is equals to minus 30. From this you can easily subtract. So 1, now 7, then 8, then 9, 9. Okay, in your mind. Okay, you are not required to write down. You are not required to do any carryover. So when you will solve this in your mind, you will get 99,871. You have to see in your mind before doing anything. How can you do the work in your mind also, only without writing anything? So now the value of A is equal to 99,871. So I am going to rub all this and put the values. Now you look here carefully. Look at the base. Now if you have written this here, look at the base. In base, first step after writing this, you have to now do the balancing. So to balance it, now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In one lakh you have 5 zeros. Okay. Now you ignore your A part, look at this B and C part. You must have 5 digits, and if you don't have 5 digits, you have to make it 5 digits. Okay. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In C part you can see 5 digits are here. In B part 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 digits are here. So in B, in place of 3191, what I can write down here is 0. Okay, 03191. So here also what I can do is I can put this extra 0 because this will not affect the value of B. What I have done for B, just I have added this 1 0 before the number. This I have told you in my previous videos also. So now you have to balance this. Now how will you do the balancing? There is something strange here. What is the strange part here? Strange part is this negative. When you will multiply the numbers, all the numbers are positive. You will never get the negative answer. So strange thing is this negative, you have to make it positive. And what step you have to follow that to do that? Now you see, you have to borrow 1 from here. Okay, this is B part. You have to borrow 1 from here. A part I am going to write down as it is. Okay, 99,871. I will not disturb my A part. Now from 3191, if I will do minus 1, so what will be left here? 0, 3, 1, 9, 0. Okay, this part also I have done. Now you have to convert negative into positive. See, this 1 you have borrowed, so write down 1 here. Now how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you put 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you have to subtract this. Okay, you have to subtract this from this. Now you have here 21,879. You have to subtract this. Okay. So when you will subtract it, what will you get here? 17 78,121. Okay, so you will write down this 78,121. And now you write down all these numbers together. See, I have just removed these slash and I have just written all these numbers together, and this is my final answer. Again, see, I'm again telling you, right now you are just learning. Right now you are just learning. It's taking time. But you see, it's making your calculations very easy for your competitive exams. Now you look at this question. I have taken this question deliberately because see, every time in most of my questions I have taken the base which is near 1 lakh, 1,000, 10,000, but it is also important to explain you about some different bases. Like this is here the base is 50,000. Okay, and I'm going to show you the subtraction here. Okay, this is important to show you the subtraction here. Okay, first number you are going to subtract 50,000 minus 49,962. See, here you will get 38. Okay, I'm going to show you the subtraction. Why this is important? Because the important are these numbers. Okay, now 50,000 then minus 49,968. When you will do here, okay, you see you got this. This is important here. I'm going to tell you, okay, what is the importance of these numbers, why I'm showing you all this subtraction. Okay, so here you got this. Now you know कि you have to put the sign of subtraction here because you have to subtract this. ठीक है, you know this. अब you see, I have made the circles on these numbers. Again, देखो, if you will multiply these numbers, 49,000. See, you look at the basic question. What is the basic question here? If you will multiply 49,962 with 49,968, I'm sure you will take a lots of time, and maybe if you have to multiply such a large number, sometimes the children make the mistake. It's not the more calculations are there, the more mistakes are here. But now your calculation part is minimized. How your calculation part is minimized. Now you see, you will not multiply 49,962 with this 49,968. What will you multiply here? You have to multiply the differences only. 38 multiplied by 32, and that too you have to multiply using the shortcut tricks. So your calculations are definitely minimized. And you look at this number 99. I am going to explain you again the shortest trick to multiply a number with 99. So you look at these questions. These are of great importance in your exams because I have made this using some tricks, and these will be very much beneficial for you. You see how. Now to do this, okay, I have rubbed all this. You have to here find out A/B/C, and in this case, what is the multiplier? Okay, whenever you have to find out the multiplier, look at the first number. This first digit is your multiplier. Okay, now you have to find out the value of C. How will you find out? You got these differences, so you will multiply all these differences, okay, to get the value of C. Okay. Now see how important are these numbers. You have to first multiply 38 with 32. The shortcut trick, you know, when the sum of last two numbers is 10 know the trick. I have already told you. Multiply last two numbers. You know 8 2s are 16. And what will you do with this first number? First number is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And you will get 4. Now you will multiply 4 with this 3. 4 3s is 12. So you see 1216. You got this in single line only. Okay. You have already minimized your calculation here also. In single line. I have not solved it through traditional method. That will take a lots of time. Already I have used the trick here. Okay. You see the trick. How important is your trick? I'm going to explain you the importance of the trick. Okay. So here, you got this 1, 2, 1, 6. Now, in my previous question also, I have told you how you will multiply using your shortcut trick. Now, you got the multiplication of this is this, okay? So, now you will multiply this. So, again you see here, these are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here, but number of 9 is less. So, what is 9? You will convert this 99 into 100 minus 1. Okay. Now, in my previous question, as I have told you, so the same you will do here. 12616 multiplied by 100 will be equal to this. Okay, you know, you have to do in your mind. Now 1216 you have to multiply with this 1. Okay, so when you will multiply with this 1, okay, you will get this. Now you see how easily you have just calculated it. Now you solve it. Okay, when you have solved it, you got this. This is so easy now. Now you see, okay, what is the value of C? Now this is the value of C, and I am going to rub all this and I am going to write down the value of C only. Now value of C I have written here. You have to find out the value of B, and for that you see what is the multiplier. Write down the multiplier here in the bracket. Now you know you have to multiply two terms. Minus 38 into minus 32 plus next two terms are these two terms. Minus 32 into minus 99 plus what are the next two terms? Minus 99 into minus 38. See, all this I am going to solve with this, with my tricks. I am not going to multiply all these numbers through my traditional method of multiplication, not at all. In this I am using all the multiplication tricks, and this is very interesting. I really find it very interesting. First two terms are 38 into 32. Just right now in my previous question I have told you, see, look at this number. You have to multiply. The sum of last two numbers is 10. That condition fulfills here. That trick will work here. And first two numbers are same. So, all of you see, you have to multiply last two numbers. 8 2s is 16. And what you have to do? With the first number, you have to add 1. So, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, with 4 you will get. So, 4 you will multiply with this 3. 4 3s is 12. So, in single line, you have got the answer. Okay, now you look here. You have to multiply 32 with 99. Now, see. This is your case 2 of multiplication with 99. What is important here? You see, 32 is a 2-digit number and 99 is also a 2-digit number. Now, you see what will you do here? 32 minus 1. Okay, 32 minus 1 is 31. So, what will you do? You will subtract this 3 from this 9 and you will subtract this 1 from this 9. Okay, 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. So this you got. Now you see what you have to do. 38 multiplied by 99. See, 2 digits number. 38 is also 2 digit. 99 is also you just use the trick. 38 minus 1 is 37, and you have to subtract this 3 from this 9 and this 7 from this 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2. See, all this. Look at all these numbers. All these are very special. I have not solved anything through traditional multiplication, not at all. And all these I have used my tricks, and already I have told you so many times that Vedic maths is a combination of a lots of tricks. In my old question, in my other questions also, I will discuss with you some other tricks. Right now I'm doing this question. So now you see how will you do this. Now in place of these, I'm going to put the values. Now you see, I have shown you all the multiplication right now, and just you have to put the values here. So when you will solve it, I have already solved it for you, and I am going to write down the answer here, what you will get here. Okay. See, when you will solve this, see, this is 5 is in bracket, so you have to first do the addition of 1 to, this is in bracket, so 1216 plus 3168 plus 3762. When you will add all these and you will then multiply it with this 5. You know now how you have to solve it. So you see, with the help of calculator also you will get it the same answer. Now video will be too long, so I have already solved this calculation part for you. You do it yourself. So this is now the value of B. I am going to write down here. The value of B is, now I am going to rub all this. Now I have written the value of C and B here. You have to find out the portion of A. To find out A, first see what is the multiplier here? 5. Okay, so this is the square of your multiplier here. Now in bracket, see, in previous question also I have told you that before writing here anything, you have to check in your mind how can you make your calculation easy. Now here also see, if you will write down this first number here, so you will have to first add these two numbers, carry over, borrow over, then you will get more time here, you will take more time here. So to avoid the consumption of your time, what you can do, you can just see, look at the numbers. Numbers are important here. Before writing, as by only observation you can see, this will be equal to 70. Okay, and if you have to subtract 70, then that will make your work very easy. So last number I am going to write down here. Okay, I am going to write down the last number. So I will keep my hand like this. Now you see, I will not take this 99, then I will write down here minus 38 minus 32. Okay, now you see here you will get 25 into, now this is minus 70. So you have to subtract minus 70 from here. Okay, now you have to solve this, and you solve it with calculator. Now just to solve the time, because my video is getting lengthy, I have already solved this portion for you. See, this portion I have done in your mind, and when you will solve it you will get this. So I am going to write down the value of A here. And now I am going to rub all this. Look here, I got the value of A, B and C. Now you know you have to first just write down the values here. Okay? Now you have to check how many zeros are there in the base. Now you have written this, you have to check how many zeros are there in the base. So देखो, now you have to do the balancing part, and before doing the balancing part you have to check the number of zeros. Now in 50,000 you can see clearly see 4 zeros. Now ignore your A part. In all my videos I have told you कि you have to first ignore here A part. You have to look here at the B and C part. Here 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and you see in C part, okay, you have to now balance it. And you see, and actually here this C is in negative, okay, I have forgotten the sign to write on here negative, okay, this is in negative, okay. You just go back and see this C is in negative, so I have to write down this sign of negative here. As in my previous question also I have told you कि when you will multiply you will never get the negative term, okay. Now here you know in 50,000 you have 4 zeros, and here count how many digits are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, 6 digits are here. So you look at this 12. This is extra, okay. You have to keep only 4 digits. So how will you start balancing this? Write down the last 4 digits as it is, because you have to keep only last 4 digits. Put this slash. Now you know this 12 is extra. So from this part 40730, okay. Look here carefully from this part, okay, B part, you will subtract this minus 12 because this is extra. You will not keep this. When you will subtract 12, so you will get this. Now you got this, so I am going in place of this, because from this you have subtracted 12, I am going to write down this. Now this part I am going to write down as it is. Now you see, this is negative now. So negative sign is here, okay. What I have done to do the balancing here, only this extra 12 I have subtracted from this portion, but negative sign is here. Now you know to make negative into positive, you have to subtract this, okay. So how many digits are here? 1 2 3 4. 4 digits are here. So you have to borrow 1 from here, that I have written here. So 1 2 3 4 zeros you will put here, then 0 3 8 4. See, this is important. Don't forget this, okay. So you will subtract this. You will get this, okay. So now I am starting from here. This part I have made positive and I got this. So I am going to write down this here. 9 6 1 6. In place of this negative term, now I will not write this negative term because I have subtracted it and made it positive. Now you see, 1 already I have borrowed from here, okay. This is 40,718. So 40,780 minus 1 will be equal to 40,717, and put a slash here, okay. This term I am going to write down with slash as it is here. Now you see, I am going to rub this. Now you again, in all my questions I have told you the same thing. Don't think your answer is complete. In all my questions, if you see, look at my previous videos also, now it is maximum important. You may think that now everything is positive. Now what is the need? What is important here? But yes, abhi something is very important. what is important is look at the base. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Check the terms. Now, before writing the final answer, check the terms. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here and 4 zeros in the base. Now you check this term. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have now see 5 digits. You can't keep 5 digits here. This is very important. If you will leave as it is, your full question will be wrong, and in all my questions, in all my videos, I deliberately take the sums like this where you will face this problem. I am deliberately going to show you that you face this problem. If you will face it, so you will be able to know how you have to solve this. Last term I am going to write down as it is. See, 6169. Okay, this I have written as it is. Now look here, 5 digits are here, but you have to keep only 4 digits. So this 4 is extra here. Okay, this 4 is extra. What will you do with this 4? You will carry forward this 4 to this term and add it here. What is this term? This term is your 1, 2, 4, 5, then 7, 7, 5. This is your A part. Okay, and extra 4 you will add in this. So what will you get here? 9, 7, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. Okay, this you will get here. So see, C part I have written from B. Only 4 digits I will write down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that too last 4 digits, not first 4 digits. Okay, don't see first 4 digits. Look at last 4 digits. What are the last 4 digits? 7170. Okay, see, these are the last 4 digits. And what you have done with this remaining 4? You have done the addition of the 4 here. Okay, so you got this. Now you will write down this. And now you just remove this slash, and this is your final answer. I'm going to write down the answer here. Okay. Now just remove this slash, so your answer will be now you have to just remove this. If you will remove this like I am doing here, these are the slash. If you will just remove this and write down all the numbers together, this is your final answer. And now in this question I have discussed with you the special trick of 99, and in details also. Now I am going to show you how you have to try this multiplication of 99 with other questions. Okay, see, basically this question is complete. Multiplication of large numbers I have done. Now what I am going to do, how you can apply this multiplication of 99 and so on tricks with other numbers, that is the extra part I am going to do with you. Now you see, I am going to discuss with you my first case. What is the first case? When you have to multiply any number with 999 and so on. Case 1 is when the numbers of digits are same. You look at all these numbers. This is a 3-digit number. 3-digit number 399. Now here also 3-digit number 399. 4-digit number 499. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 699. See, this condition must fulfill. Okay, this is must. Okay, this is very important. When you have to apply this trick, this condition must fulfill. So how will you use this trick now in all these questions? See, you have to solve all these questions in one line only. Okay, if you will, I am going to start with a very small question. Okay, with this question. Now if you just look at this question and imagine you have to multiply this with so many 999, how much time will it take? My video is also getting lengthy, so I'm just going to show you this question. Rest of the questions you try using my trick. How will you solve it? See, 396 multiplied by 999. So first step is, look at the first number, write down here minus 1. So 396 minus 1 will be equal to 395. You will write down here. Now in the next step, you have to subtract 3 from this 9 from this 9, and this 5 from this 9. So what will you get? 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, then 9 minus 5 is 4. See, I have done the multiplication in single line only, okay? And this is a very small question. If you will solve this lengthy question with your traditional method, it is going to take so much of the time, and my video is also getting long. So you use this trick to solve all these questions and then check it with the help of your calculator. Now I am going to discuss with you my second case. See, this is my case 2. Okay, same, you have to multiply 999 and so on. And what is the case? When the number of digits are more. Now you see, when the number of digits are more than 999 and so on. Okay, 9999 and so on. Now you see, if I am going to write down here. Now I am explaining you in details how this trick will work. Look at first question and look at last question. See, if you will multiply such a long question with all these numbers, it will, and you see all these, this will make your calculation very lengthy. I am going to only tell you the trick in first question. Rest of the questions you can try. What is special here? See how many digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here, but number of 99 are less. So you write down this 2964 multiplied by 99. Okay. What is 99? In my, just right now I have shown you in my question, 99 is equal to 100 minus 1. You look at this next question. If you have to multiply with 999, okay, what is 999? That will be equal to 1000 minus 1. Okay, now here also, you see, this is 9099. What is 9999? Here you will do 10,000 minus 1. See, now this will make your calculation part very easy. You look here, it will take a lots of time. You try both the methods. You try your traditional method, it will take a lots of time. You follow my tricks. You see how conveniently and how easily without any mistake you can solve this. Now you know this 2964 is here. You have to multiply with 100. See, multiplying any number with 100, how easy is it? You have to just put 2 zeros and the same number you have to multiply with 1. How easy it is? Just write down the same number as it is. Okay. Then you will do the subtraction here. Okay. Then here you will do, I'm going to rub this. Okay. Now here you will just do the subtraction here. So now see, when you will solve this, you will get this. Okay. Now this is small question. You have to multiply the small question. And if you will solve the lengthy questions, then you will find that this trick is making your work so easy. And you check this with the calculator. Like the trick I have told you, and in all these questions you have to apply the same trick. Now case number 1 I have discussed with you, case number 2 I have discussed with you. Now I am going to discuss my case number 3 with you. Now you see, this is my third case, and what is the condition here is, when the number of digits are less than 99. You see how I am going to write down here. See, my video is getting longer, but I can't leave it like this. I have to explain all the concepts. It will be good for you. Now you see what is this case. You look at the digits. How many digits? Only 2 digits are here, and how many 99 are here? 2. This is 2. This is 4. Here you see how many digits are here? 3. And how many 99? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of digits. These digits are less than these 99. In all, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of digits are less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now number of digits are less than the number of 999. So how will you solve all these? Okay, I am going to show you only one solution. Okay. See, you have to multiply in this case this 27 with this 999. So first what you will do, how many 99s are there? 4. So you convert this 2 digit into 4 digits. So if you will put 2 zeros before this, so it will be the same. Value will not change. Now you see here carefully, in one line I am going to show you the solution. Now first, basically the number is 27. So what is 27 minus 1? That is 2 zeros. I have just to write down here as it is. See, 0 is just which extra zeros I have kept here. So the same zeros I have kept here. Now 27 minus 1 is 26. You got this. Now you put a slash. I am just explaining you, so I just put this slash. Okay, otherwise you will get confused. So what you have to do, what is important here? See, important. Okay, important step. You have to subtract all these digits from all these 99. This 0 you will subtract from this 99. This 0 you will subtract from this 99. This 2 you will subtract from this 99. This 6 you will subtract from this 99. See, 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay. Then 9 minus second 0 is 9. Then 9 minus 2 is 7. Then 9 minus 6 is 3. So what is your answer here? This you got here 0, 0, 2, 6, 9, 9, 7, 3. And what is this? This is 2, 6, 9, 9, 7, 3. You can write down it as it is also. So like this, see, I have told you all the cases, so many tricks and different cases I have explained you very well, and in details. You take some other questions, try it on your own, try with calculator. And thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.